In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name before a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Let's dive right in, focusing on each step with clarity to ensure you understand the process thoroughly. First and foremost, you'll need to be logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't already, open up Microsoft Teams and sign in using your credentials. This step is necessary because you can't access the meeting or chat functionalities without being logged in. Once you're in, you're well on your way to customizing how your name appears during your meeting. Now, navigate to the chat icon on the left sidebar and click on New Chat. This might seem a bit unrelated as we're talking about meetings, but it's simply the way to access the section where you'll initiate a meeting. It's a good starting point to initiate the sequence of actions required for changing your display name. Once you're in the chat section, look for the Meet Now icon. It's typically represented by a small camera icon or a similar symbol. Clicking on this icon will not only start the setup for your meeting, but will also give you access to various pre-meeting settings. These settings include toggling your audio and video on or off, selecting devices, and, most relevant to our focus today, changing your display name. Before officially starting your meeting, you will see an option to edit your name. This might appear under a Personal Details section or directly in the meeting setup page. If you're having trouble finding it, look around the area where your profile picture or initials are displayed. Updating your name at this stage is quite straightforward. Simply click on the existing name, type in your preferred display name, and confirm the change. Once you're satisfied with the name you've chosen, it's time to start the meeting. Click the Start Meeting button. This will take you into the meeting environment with all your settings applied, including your newly updated name. And there you have it. You'll appear in the meeting with the name you've selected. This adjustment ensures that everyone in the meeting sees you as you prefer to be seen, which can be particularly useful in professional or new group settings where first impressions matter. In summary, the process of changing your display name before a Microsoft Teams meeting involves logging in, heading into the chat section, setting up a new meeting, and then editing your name in the meeting options before finally launching your meeting with your new display name. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips on using technology effectively in your daily life.